Hello, we are discussing about GATE 1996 ECE paper, and this question is related to digital circuits. A state machine is required to cycle through the following sequence of states: 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, and again repeating from the initial state as 0, 0, 0. One possible implementation of the state machine is as shown. Specify what signal should be applied to each of the multiplexer inputs. So you are going to calculate, you are going to find what must be the inputs of multiplexer such that this is going to be acting as this state machine is acting as a sequence generator, and that is going to be following through the given number of states, sequence of states. Okay, so and if you observe, the flip-flop used is D flip-flop. The flip-flop used inside is nothing but D flip-flop. So the advantage of D flip-flop is nothing but D flip-flop is called as delay flip-flop. Delay flip-flop implies nothing but whatever the input you are applying, that will be considered as next state, that will become your output after application of one clock pulse. So the present input will be treated as output after one clock pulse. So the input is delayed by one clock pulse and it will be available at the output side. So output is same as input, but only the delay of one clock pulse. So that for D flip-flop we can say that one next state is nothing but simply D. Q plus is nothing but D, but only thing is nothing but after application of clock pulse only the D will be transferred to outputs. Okay, so here we can write like this. Now we are going with present state, and later you are going for the next state. So present state implies nothing but A, B, C. So we are going with the A and B, C. Next state implies nothing but A plus B plus C plus. But A plus B plus C plus is nothing but these are the actual outputs, but the outputs are nothing but present inputs. So that you can write it as DA, DB, DC. So and 0, 0, 0 is going to be initial state, and whenever 0, 0, 0 at that time it is going through 0, 1, 0, next it is going through 1, 1, 1, next it is going with 1, 0, 0, next is going with 0, 1, 1 and 1, 0, 1, and again it is coming back to 0, 0, 0. So these are the sequence of states it is going through. Okay, by that time what can be the values of DA, DB, DC? Okay, so if it is 0, 0, 0, what should be your next state? Your next state must be equal to 0, 1, 0, and next state 0, 1, 0, if your present state, it has to be equal to 1, 1, 1. If it is 1, 1, 1, your next state must be 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, as this is sequence of states. Okay, and 1, 0, 0 if your next state, if your present state, at that time next state must be 0, 1, 1. If 0, 1, 1 is present state, at that time next state is 1, 0, 1. If 1, 0, 1 is the present state, the next state is nothing but 0, 0, 0 after application of clock pulse. So out of this one I can go like this. These are the min terms corresponding M0, M2, M7, M4, M3, M5. Okay, and out of this there are three variables, and three variables is nothing but 8 possible combinations, but the counter is going through only 6 states. That is, the other two states are not coming into the picture, that will be treated as don't cares. So don't cares for this one is nothing but 1 and 7. Don't cares for this one is nothing but 1 and 6. 1 comma 6 are don't cares for this one. So we can write the expressions like this: dA is equal to sigma m of, okay, dA is going to be function of dA, dB, dC. Remember that one. dA, dB and dC are going to be function of A, B, C. That is, inputs are function of present states. So dA can be represented as sigma m of, where you are going with ones, that is 2 comma 7 comma 5, plus don't cares of, don't cares are nothing but 1 comma 6, which are not used. Okay, and dB is equal to, you can write it as sigma m of dB is 0 comma 2. Okay, and next one is nothing but 4, 0 comma 2 comma 4 with don't cares of 1 comma 6. Next, similarly you can write DC is equal to sigma m of, okay, 2, 4, 5, This you can write it as 2, 4, 5 plus d of 1 comma 6. Okay, so DC is equal to 2, 4 and 2, 4 and 3, sorry, 2, 4 and 3, 2, 4 and 3, this is not 5, 2, 4 and 3. Okay, so this is 2, 4 and 3, 2, 4 and 3, this is not 5. So 2, 4, 3, if you observe 2, 4 and 3. Okay, so 2, 4, 3 with don't cares of 1 comma 6. Now you can get the expressions for DA, DB, DC. Okay, by going through a 3 variable K-map. So we will go for the first DA. DA is nothing but it requires a 3 variable K-map in this way. This is 3 variable K-map. For DA, DA is going to be function of A and BC, so that it is 0, this is 1, this is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Okay, this is gray code representation. Next, we will include 2, 4, 7. 2 is nothing but this one, 4 is nothing but 1, 0, 0, 7 is nothing but 1, 1, 1. Okay, so 2, 4, 2, 5, 7. Okay, 2, 5, 7, this is not 4. So 2, 5, 7, 2 comma 7 comma 5. 2 is nothing but 0, 1, 0 and 7 is nothing but 1, 1, 1. 5 is nothing but 1, 0, 1. So 1, 0, 1 is nothing but this one. And don't cares also how to represent. Don't cares is nothing but 1. 1 is nothing but 0, 0, 1. 6 is nothing but 1, 1, 0. So these are the don't cares you can get. Okay, this is 1, 1, 1 and it is 2, 7, 5, 2, 5, 7, 7, 3, 2, 7, 3, sorry, this is okay, this is 2, 7, 3 only, this is not 5. Okay, so this is also 3, 2, 7. DA, if you are observing, this is 2, 7 and 3, it is not 5. Okay, this is 2, 7 and it is 3. So instead of this one you will write it as, okay, 3 implies nothing but 2, 7, 3, it is not 5. So we use, it is not 5, it is 3 only. 2, this is 2, 7 and 3 is nothing but over here. You have to put a line over here. So this is 1, this is 2 and it is 7, this is 3 and don't cares are nothing but 1 comma 6. So you can combine this one, that is nothing but DA, you can write it as, okay, DA is equal to, simply you can get it as B. DA is nothing but B itself. Next, for DB you are going in this way. DB is nothing but again you are going with a 3 variable K-map, and for 3 variable K-map we are expressing the values in terms of ABC. This is DB. Okay, this is A and it is BC, whereas 0, 1 it is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Now represent, DB is function of 0 comma 2 comma 4. 0 is nothing but this one. Okay, 0 is nothing but this one, 2 is nothing but this one, 0 to 4, 4 is nothing but this one, 1, 0, 0, and 1 comma 6 are going to be don't cares, 0, 0, 1, 6 is nothing but 1, 1, 0. So these two are don't cares. Now you can combine the ones, okay, like this. So you will get DB itself, DB is equal to, you will get it as C bar. Okay, and next DC, if you want to calculate the DC, at that time again we are going for a 3 variable K-map like this, and for this 3 variable K-map, this is for DC and again it is function of ABC, and this is 0, 1 and it is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, and you must represent the values. So the values for this one is nothing but, for DC you are going with 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4 is nothing but, 2 is nothing but 0, 1, 0, 3 is nothing but 0, 1, 1, 4 is nothing but 1, 0, 0, and 1 and 6 001 and 110 are going to be don't cares. Okay, so by that time you can combine these two things as going to be one group. So by that time you can say that one, this is A bar and it is B, and this is going to be one more group you will get. That implies nothing but here it is, this one you can write it as A times of C bar you can write. So DC is equal to A bar B plus AC bar you can write. A bar B AC bar. Now these things you have to represent in the multiplexer. So now we will go in this way. So this is A bar B plus AC bar. DC is, now the values what you are getting is nothing but DA is equal to B and DB is equal to C bar and DC is equal to A bar B plus AC bar. These are the inputs you are getting. So with the help of multiplexer, if you want to write, AB are going to be inputs and this is DA. Okay, look at this one, this is DA and the value is going to be, it has to be equal to B. If you want to get B at that time, B is nothing but you can write like this, DA is equal to B into 1 you can write, that is nothing but B into A bar plus A. That implies nothing but A bar B plus AB you can write. So A bar B plus AB is nothing but this is simply 0 1 combination and 1 1 combination, that is nothing but 0 comma 3. So for 0 line and 3 line you must connect logic ones. So 0 0 1 is nothing but 0 1 is this one and 3 line is nothing but this one. So others must be given as logic zeros. Then what you are getting is nothing but A bar B plus AB. Okay, A bar plus A will get cancels if you take common B, so B will be the output. So you must give the inputs in this way. Next you have to get C bar. Okay, so irrespective of AB value, DB is equal to C. The meaning of DB is equal to C bar is nothing but here the multiplexer is given with two select lines. AB are going to be select lines and the output has to be C bar. Output has to be C bar, whether it is AB is 00, 01, 10, 11. Whatever the value you are going to get final output as. For DB you are getting it as C bar. So irrespective of AB values, this expression doesn't contain AB values, so that irrespective of AB values DB has to be C bar. So whatever the value of AB, okay, you must connect C bar. So C bar should be connected in this way. So whatever the value of AB, C bar is going to be selected and it will be the input for the DB. Next DC is nothing but DC you can write it as A bar B plus AC bar. Okay, so here DC is nothing but A bar B, okay, into 1 plus AC bar into 1. So A bar B we are not going to change because AB are going to be select lines, so this will be in the same thing, plus AC bar, but C is not a select line, so that you must represent in select lines, so that you are writing it as B plus B bar. So this will be equal to A bar B into 1 plus AB C bar plus AB bar C bar. So that implies nothing but you can write the expression like this, A bar B into 1 plus AB into C bar plus AB bar into C bar. This is what the expression. The within the brackets what you are getting, those are nothing but inputs for your multiplexer. Okay, whenever A bar B is present, A bar B is nothing but 0 1 combination. A bar B is nothing but A bar B is nothing but A is 0, B is 1. Whenever AB is nothing but A is 1, B is 1. AB bar is nothing but A is equal to 1, B is equal to 0. So there is no A bar B bar you are getting, so that I naught will not be selected, even though if it is selected at that time you must give the input as 0. So this must be given to 0. Next, this is I1. I1 implies nothing but A bar B. A bar B, by that time you must get 1 over here, because A bar B into 1, in brackets you are writing 1, that 1 will be the input. Next, AB C bar. AB implies nothing but third line. Here by that time it must be connected with C bar, and for AB bar also it has to be connected with C bar. So for 2 and 3 you are connecting it for 2 and 3. Okay, so for 2 and 3 we are connecting in this way. This is 2 and it is 3, both are going to be connected and it will be given to C bar. So this is what the representation of state machine. If you connect the inputs like this, at that time this can be act as a sequence generator which is going through the given number of states. Okay, like this is the states. Thank you.